Starting around 02 November 2023, Ethereum fundamentally is exchanging at $1,836.88 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in especially most recent 60 minutes, or so they by and large essentially thought. ETH explicitly in every way that really matters has an exceptionally all things considered, all-out market cap of $220,919,528,781, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,680,629,340, certainly extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This certainly makes Ethereum, ETH, certainly extremely positioning at 2 in the digital currency market, which for the most part sort of is genuinely critical in an unpretentious manner. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2023, what will Ethereum in a real sense by and large be extremely worth in 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Is Ethereum a by and large wise speculation or sort of especially worth purchasing in 2023 in an especially significant manner in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will ETH value sort of generally outperform its untouched high in a huge manner? These by and large generally are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, or so they especially thought, which is genuinely critical. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. As per the Ethereum gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the ETH cost sort of is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly sort of normal value level of $2,139.84, the normal really least value worth of Ethereum, toward the finish of the kind of especially current year, ought to in every way that really matters be $2,048.41 in an exceptionally kind of huge manner, which in every way that really matters is very critical. Besides, ETH can essentially arrive at a really greatest value level of $2,335.71, which especially in a real sense is genuinely critical in opposition to mainstream thinking. ETH value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Ethereum most certainly is determined to truly be at around an extremely least worth of $1,737.18 in an especially sort of enormous manner. The Ethereum value worth can arrive at in every way that really matters, limit of $1,974.90, with the pretty especially normal exchanging worth of $1,920.04 in United States dollars, which sort of in a real sense is very huge. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation September 2023. The cost for Ethereum in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $1,923.70 and $2,070.90. While the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1,996.84. ETH value estimate October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Ethereum fundamentally is determined to especially by and large be at around a genuinely least worth of $1,945.35 in an unpretentious manner. The Ethereum value worth can in a real sense really arrive at a pretty especially limit of $2,150.77, with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $2,036.78 in United States dollars in an unobtrusive way in a sort of large manner. ETH value estimate November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Ethereum sort of by and large is determined to really in a real sense be at around a very least worth of $2,004.37 in a very enormous manner, which is very huge. The Ethereum value worth can truly arrive at a very of limit of $2,252.61, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $2,077.51 in United States dollars, or so they generally thought, which is very critical. Ethereum, ETH, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Ethereum basically will be essentially anticipated to in every practical sense generally arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $2,139.84, while the coin could exchange between a by and large truly limit of $2,335.71 and a decently genuinely least of $2,048.41, which for the most part is very huge in a significant manner. Ethereum certainly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost entirely has shown a very decent increment of 1.65% in the fundamentally most recent 24 hours in an essentially enormous manner. From most recent 7 days the ETH sort of was in really very great vertical pattern and expanded by 0.22%, showing how while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $1,996.84 in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum in every practical sense has shown especially areas of strength for truly potential of late, and this could be great chance to by and large dive right in and contribute, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of ETH explicitly diminished by 2.731%, disposing of an incredible kind of typical amount of $51.57 from its by and large current worth. So starting around 02 November 2023 Ethereum explicitly generally is exchanging at $1,836.88 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.13% in most recent 60 minutes. Which really is genuinely critical in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected down certainly in every practical sense implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a by and large great, essentially especially purchase a valuable open door for most certainly by and large speedy interest in a genuinely enormous manner. The 90 days cost change especially in a real sense is around 14.72%. And the value sort of circled from a sort of especially least truly normal cost of $1,539.51 to by and large truly greatest really normal cost of $1,647.19 in the pretty fundamentally beyond 90 days, which generally is very critical in a significant manner. In actually genuinely most recent 4 months Ethereum explicitly has shown a developing pattern, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. In this manner, we for the most part imagine that comparative pieces of the market sort of explicitly were very famous at that period in a very enormous manner, which is genuinely critical. As per the kind of the in a real sense the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Ethereum basically is expanded from 4 months, which explicitly especially is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is a crucial job in its cost, which especially shows that ETH basically has an in every practical sense sort of all-out market cap of $220,919,528,781, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,680,629,340, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin certainly is up by 28.13%. With the fundamentally greatest especially normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around $1,207.02, and the in every way that really matters, all things considered, least normal cost of quite was around $1,191.63 in most certainly beyond 4 months. Kind of additional appearance how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1,996.84, sort of exceptionally in opposition to prevalent